What's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. Today is Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. It is Tuesday, May 7th, 2024. And this is how the 920 worked out relative to how we traded SPY today. But before we get into that, if you like our videos, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way, you will know when we drop new content, which is just about every day and sometimes on the weekends. Also, don't forget to leave us a comment and share with your friends, folks. Just remember, sharing is caring. So let's get to the chart, folks. Pre-market high. So we're looking at pre-market high 517.82, pre-market low 516.21. Folks, we don't have a whole lot of movement. We have a little over $1, and a lot of that came, right around the close. So right around the close of pre-market, going into open. So, I mean, we're, a little over $1. It's not a whole lot. Now, I don't want to bias anybody when I say that, $1 in pre-market, but we didn't have any catalysts. We had no catalyst yesterday. We had no catalyst today. We really had nothing going on in the market to say, it's going to go up or it's going to go down or anything like that. So, again, folks, this is just one of those days where if you find pre-market to be kind of as bad as it was, it's okay to take the day off, folks. You don't have to trade every single day. I traded today, and I think what you're going to find out, folks, is this doesn't happen very often, but I took a red day today. I took a red day. I lost money today. And again, it doesn't happen very often, but it does because I'm a human, and you know what? I don't care. It doesn't matter. I don't care about a single winning or a losing trade. It doesn't matter. I don't care about a losing day. Folks, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We are all about probabilities, and probabilities is nothing more than the likelihood of one thing happening more over another thing happening, or based on a number of trades. So we're not reliant on a single trade or a single day to make it as a trader, but rather a series of trades over time. That's what we're looking for, folks, is a series of trades over time. Everybody likes to have that nice win. Yes, absolutely. I like them. Everybody likes them. But ultimately, we're looking for a series of trades over time. Okay, so here we go right out of the gate this morning. It kind of pushed up right out of the gate this morning. I said, you know what? Let's see if we can catch kind of that second wave. Didn't have a cross. We had a cross early. Actually, we had a cross over here about 9:22. So going into open, we had a cross. Beautiful candle, to open the day. I didn't take it. I said, you know what? Let's see if we can jump a trade back to the upside. Early in the trading day, so at about 9:15, about 15 minutes after open, I said, you know what? Let's take this trade and see if we can push through these levels up here and take out that 15-minute intraday double bottom, which wasn't there again because this is an intraday 517.98. It wasn't there, folks. I've got a pivot point up here at 518.24 that I was indeed looking for, but again, it turned around on me. And again, I jumped the cross. I did not wait until we got across to the upside. But again, I jumped it. Number one, we're above the 9, we're above the 20, we're above the VWAP, and we're above the POC. So at that point, I said, you know what? Let's go ahead and jump the trade. It turned into a losing trade, folks. Now, here's where it kind of gets fun. I had a series of meetings today, and that series of meetings today kept me out of some really, really, really good plays. I missed this trade right here. I missed everything, folks. But again, we had that. Now, this is a 15-minute intraday double top in here, folks. Intraday. So this is during the trade. And remember, we still have pre-market low sitting down here at 516.21. So though it looks like a lot of movement on the chart, it's not. There's not a whole lot. Even this movement right here, 517.30. This is a dollar move, folks. And dollar move is good. 1047 if you caught the very top. You're in this thing. You're only in this thing for what, 13 minutes or so? 15 minutes, somewhere right around there. We'll take $1 in 15 minutes every single day. But again, I had meetings today. I had a series of meetings for a good part of the day. So what does, I came in, got back in somewhere right around here. And I got in right in here. And I thought, you know what? Obviously, I'm not going to chase anything back to the downside. There was some really, really nice setups, back to the upside. This trade in here, after you made this high, you're probably thinking of a pullback and then take something off of maybe pre-market high back to the upside. But no, it decided to go back the other way. You can judge the move based on the volume that's being thrown into this trade, folks. I mean, look at these high volume sticks. High volume here, a high volume to defend this position down here, and then another high volume to bring it back down. But again, and alas, I was not in any of these trades. So what I do, I came back, at the end of the day thinking, you know what, let's see if we can take this second cross to the upside. And I did, and I took it. And again, another losing trade. And again, folks, it's one of those, it's just like, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Winning trades, losing trades. And again, we like the big ones, but now here's where it got really, really fun. I took this trade right in here, 1521. So this was this double cross to the upside. Again, I jumped the trade. I thought we could get through this 15-minute double top right here at 517.21. So I jumped it here, tried to get through. And at this point, I'm like, you know what? It's late in the day. Let's see if we can rely on 350 to make our losing day a winning day. And sure enough, 350. Look at this candle. This just a lot of volume poured in, folks. Now, I'm in this trade at this point. I got in at 21. This is worth 30 minutes, somewhere right around 30 minutes into the trade. At this point, I'm thinking, you know what? If we can get through this area up here, maybe we can push a little bit higher. Maybe we can go up maybe 517.98. That's what I was thinking. And then 518.24. So to turn this red day into a green day. But I didn't take it here. I didn't take it on any of these candles because, again, we're still pushing up. We hadn't breached the 9 back to the downside. We're still staying above VWAP. I could have taken any of these candles. Would have been a really, really nice trade. Now, and this candle right here, 1555. Oh my goodness. You want to talk about being on the really, really nice side of a trade, and then it just totally dumps on you, and then it came back and it kind of, turned out okay on the trade. Absolutely nothing great. Did not save the day. That's okay. And I know I want somebody out there in YouTube land to say, well, why didn't you just take the trade off the table? Well, I could have taken the trade off the table, and it would have been a really, really, really nice trade. But again, I thought we could get a little bit more push out of these candles to push it back to the upside. And besides, we're still riding that 9. We're still well above the 9. I know it's late in the day, late day scalps, but again, I'm looking for a couple more candles to push it up. But again, it didn't happen, and that's okay. For every time this happens and it doesn't push up, there's a couple more that do. So again, that's the probability game, folks. That is a probability game. But that's how she played out today. Overall, I think it was a very, very difficult day to trade, folks. There were some setups, but there were some very, very difficult setups today. No question about that. And the fact that I had a red day doesn't make it any an easier day or a more difficult day to trade, folks. It just doesn't. That's just the reality. It's just as traders, we have winning days, we have losing days. It's been a while since I've had a losing day, but that's okay, folks. That's okay. So if you like our videos, please go ahead. Oh, I'm going to show you volume profile. This is volume profile because the market is still going, folks. This is volume profile. If you don't have this, check it out. Volume profile by KV4 Coins, and it's available on TradingView. Also, one other thing, folks, you'll notice these candles in here. These candles, some are wide, some are narrow. The wide candles, there's a lot of volume. These are called volume candles. I'll show you here real quick. Volume candles, it's under beta testing right now in TradingView. And I do believe you have to have the premium membership on TradingView. But anyway, these are really, really, really good resources to have. So, but anyway, that's how we did it today, folks. That's how we did it. If you like our videos, please go ahead and like and subscribe and share and leave us a comment. We would greatly appreciate that. If you are interested in live daily tradings, yes, with human beings who do have losing days, head on over to our live trading Discord. The link for that is down below. It's called Trading Decoded. Head on over. We're going to, the vast majority of the time, I'm in there every single day from bell to bell, folks. So you just count it every day. Every now and again, I've got a meeting or a couple of meetings throughout the day. That's just the reality. That's the way it is. But head on over there, live daily trading. We're going to give you that first week for free, folks. Now, if you're interested in the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. Go check that out, folks. The entire strategy is there for you. So go check it out. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a strategy that you don't know is going to work. So head on over there. We'd love to see you, folks. But anyway, that's how we did it today, folks. Overall, red day, but that's okay. A tough day to trade in the market, no question about that. But I hope everybody had a great day today. But above all else, I hope you followed your trading plan. So have a great rest of the day, folks, and we will see you in the markets.